Their connection, hope in everspace, for storms and the stars, the world dually on their love up and gone, never gone, over to